Siya yata yung pinakamaraming komedyang ginawa. Maraming kumopya sa kanya. Marami siyang natulungan, nakapagbigay siya ng inspirasyon.
Sa gitna ng pinagdadaan ng krisis sa kalusugan ng hari ng komedya na si Dolphy, the clamor for him to be named a national artist began to snowball. The National Artist Award is the highest national recognition given to Filipino individuals who have made significant contributions to the development of Philippine arts. Sa isang statement, sinabi ni Vice President Jeju Marbinay, and we quote, "Dolphy is an integral part of Philippine entertainment. He was instrumental in the transition of entertainment from the zarzuela through to the silver screen, and as such, deserves to be conferred the highest accolade that our nation can give to artists of his caliber." Isa si Senator Manny Villar sa mga mambabatas na unang nagsulong upang maging national artist si Mang Dolphy. Taong 2007 pa nang sumulat ito sa Cultural Center of the Philippines upang ikonsidera ang aktor sa parangal. Sa inilabas na statement ng senador last Wednesday, Villar said, and we quote again, "He is one of the few gems of the entertainment industry. His feat as a comedian will be very hard to replicate." Unquote. Ayon naman kay Senador Gregorio Honasan, any formal national recognition of Rodolfo Quezon would be appropriate now, while he, his loved ones, and our people can better appreciate it. Unquote. Last April, sa isang radio interview, inamin ni Mang Dolphy na handa siyang tanggapin ang National Artist Award kung ibibigay ito sa kanya. Taong 2009, nang unang ma-nominate si Mang Dolphy for the award, napabilang ang kanyang pangalan sa second round of deliberations but was not included in the final list of recommendees forwarded to President Gloria Macapagal Arroyo. Gayunman, noong 2010, ang aktor ay ginawa rin ni Pangulong Noynoy Aquino ng Grand Collar of the Order of the Golden Heart bilang pagkilala sa kanyang mga kontribusyon sa industriya ng entertainment. Sa isang press conference noong Huwebes, sinabi ni Presidential Spokesman Edwin Lacerda na kinikilala ng pamahalaan ang mga naging ambag sa lipunan ng Comedy King. Gayunman, nilinaw ni Lacerda na hindi mamadaliin ng palasyo ang paggagawad ng National Artist Award kay Dolphy. Lacerda explained that we quote, "There is a process and it is a very tedious, stringent process, one that should be free from politics." Unquote. Sa kabila nito, sinabi ng NCAA na posibleng madeklarang national artist ang Comedy King sa susunod na taon. Maging ang MTRCB at Mowel Fund ay desididong inominate si Dolphy sa naturang parangal.
Gusto ko nga makausap yung mga kaibigan natin sa industriya kung ano na ba ang nangyayari sa ngayon. Kasi siguro, dahil government ako sa MTRCB at maraming kabuuan ng board namin ay miyembro din ng pelikula at telebisyon, maring isa kami sa magnomina.
Samantala, sa latest blog ng batikang direktor na si Jose Javier Reyes, sinulat nito, and we quote again, "Dolphy is more than a national artist, appointed by a committee and anointed by a palace. The man who made us laugh is a national treasure, and no simple decision of man or laws can make some as priceless." Unquote.